What's up, bitch? Come on. Come on. Come on, Ellie.
Nope.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Flight Test Day 2. Out here bright and early this morning, up late fixing some quads, just having a great time in this beautiful, beautiful weather. So much nicer than last year. Anyway, we're just doing open practice here. Trying to improve a little bit over yesterday. I'm also switching to a different quad than I was flying yesterday. I was having some trouble with some of my DMR builds. I got those all fixed up yesterday. That's what I'm flying today. I am noticing the course flies a little bit better with it. I just got a little bit more power in my 2207s versus my 2405s. So I feel like it's working out pretty well. So I went out there, I put up an 11.2. That was 0.3 seconds better than my best qualifying time yesterday. So given it was only my second pack around, I'm feeling pretty good about it. Anyway, Bull's pushing into the 9s. So I have to do a lot to try to catch up to him, but you know what? We're gonna have fun trying to chase him and do the best we can. Another fun thing is we're doing a rookie race here again, just like yesterday. They asked me to coach one of the rookies, so I'm gonna join his team. I think it's Team Austin. We're going Team Pink, and see if we can pull out the win in that rookie race. Anyway, just having a great time, enjoying the weather. Love having a good time out here on a nice Friday, and yeah, let's go have some fun.
Bull-FPV, K-Mead, Johnny Fly, and Cleve Lake FPV getting ready to fly right now. It is Chase the Ace. It is based on their finishes. You want to win twice. Even though it's the final four, it's not the final race. Coming out of our winners bracket, Bull-FPV and K-Mead. Coming out of the consolation bracket, Johnny Fly and Cleve Lake FPV. Good luck, pilots. Goggles down. Thumbs up. Arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5.